Did you know that the architects of Belize's national anthem were two Belizean Creole men? This patriotic song was originally written as O Land of the Gods. O Land of the Gods was originally written in 1929 by Samuel Alfred Haynes. In 1930, the musical arrangement was added by Selwyn Walford Young, the uncle of the former Governor General of Belize and fellow musical composer, Sir Colville Young.
We, in building a nation, will need three tools: a flag, the name of a country, and a national anthem. ¡P.U.P. ¡Que viva Belice! ¡Que viva el movimiento de la independencia! ¡P.U.P.